Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be playing some Teardown, but I installed a lot of mods. Yeah, like way too many mods. Why is there jet? What is happening right now? I don't understand. Okay, I haven't played this game in a while, bro. But I remember that you can just walk around and destroy stuff like that. Super hot pistol. What is happening? Why is that there? Can I that is absolutely nothing. Um no, that doesn't work. Solid launcher. Some kill it with fire. I forgot what this was. Wait. Okay, here we go. What? Oh, it's coming back. Bro, I can't hit this thing. Bro, it's so hard to hit. Spray it, maybe? That didn't work. Let's try this thing. Oh, where is it? Oh. Can you even take it down? Meow. Oh, that cut through that. Now it's coming back now. Bazooka. Ooh, I hit it. And it did absolutely nothing. How do I do this? I don't think I can destroy it. Let's try this. Blow up. Blow up. This thing is indestructible. I can't destroy it. Okay. Well, that was a waste. Yeah, so I have a lot of oh, yeah. Okay. Wait, there's no dubstep gun? I thought that was a dubstep gun. Zombie can. I don't have zombies in this map. Okay. Let's see. Okay, we can do that. Let's see what else we have here. Stupid jet, bro. Can I blow you up now? Oh, yep, it didn't blow up. It's invincible. We can do that, though. That does a lot. We can clean it up so it's not laggy. Isn't that nice? Lighter. The most powerful weapon in the universe. It's so powerful that it's powerful. See that? Broom is even more powerful, though. And so is a fire axe, whatever this thing is. I literally just went from the workshop and installed World Eater. Wait. I don't understand. What is a World Eater? How do I put it down? Something's happening. Huh? World Eater? No. Might be broken. Arc welder. That's not a welder. That's the opposite of a welder. Okay. That's literally the opposite of a welder. That's a laser. Okay, scar. That's not. Bruh. Okay. Minigun. That is not a minigun. What even is that? Shooting lasers. Russian Tesla coil? Yeah, we can't destroy that jet. I don't know why. I don't even know what that is. Oh, what the? Bro, that's over. Oh, here it is, dubstep gun. This is perfect for DJing, okay? This is how I DJ. You just blow stuff up like this. Like this. That's the weakest gun I've ever seen. Wait. We need something destructive, like a leaf blower. That's not destructive. This. That's pretty destructive. Yeah, okay. Now we use dubstep gun. That's not a dubstep gun. Now everything's gonna go flying. Yo, this video, the recording is a lot smoother than what this game is doing right now. This game is literally lagging so hard. Oh, and then I can do this. Now my game's not lagging anymore. Because everything's cleaned up. Uh-oh. Well, we're just gonna pretend that never happened. And I'm gonna walk over here into the sunset. And, what is this? Oh yeah, I love this thing so much. This thing's awesome. But like when you pick up a car, I just spit all over my screen. Watch this. I'm gonna like pick up this trailer. Oh wait, that's a boom boom trailer. Don't do that. Wait, pick up this thing. Holy moly! Wait, I need to punch it. I need to punch it. I'm gonna grab it and then punch it. I can't grab it, bruh. Let me grab it and then I'm gonna punch it into the roof. Oh, I didn't do it in time. Let me grab you then. Oh. I messed up. Just, you know what? Just, I keep hearing that jet. You know what? Just come over here and I'm just gonna go. Bro, it's in the ceiling! It's epic. I have so many of this, like, butt stuff. I don't even know what this half is. Hammer burst? But that's pretty good. What is this? That's okay. I mean, did I just see a railgun? Oh! Railgun. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. It goes through everything. Well, that's not really. Rainmaker. Huh? Anime stuff that I don't understand. Because I'm not an anime guy. Okay, you go here, and then I'm going to put this, no, that here. I'm going to jump in, and I'm going to almost die. Because then I make a doorbell. Ring, ring. Thank you. You let me in. Doorbell. This looks like a fire flamethrower. Get it? Ha 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 ha. Light katana. That does not. Bruh. I don't even want to know what this does. Except I really do. Where is it? That's a jet, not a meteor. Oh, that's a meteor, though! Bro, that empty hands. This is the best weapon in the game. You see this? See? Yeah. Best weapon. Magic bag. Oh, yeah. Laser blaster. I wish that plane wasn't invincible. Dragon Slayer. Meow. Smack, smack, smack. Yeah. Shark. I don't have anything. Plasma rifle? What does that do? It's pretty bad. Anime stuff that I don't understand. What is this? Enhanced airstrike. Napalm. What just happened? Napalm! Oh, this is cool. Let's use this. What is shooting out of this when I hit C, bro? It's like I just hold it down. It's like a bomb thing. I don't know. I'm not gonna use tactical nuke. Not yet, anyway. Oh, bruh. That's not a tactical nuke. That's not a tactical nuke? How is that not a tactical nuke? Bro, let's just do it. Let's just do it. I'm done with this. My computer just... no. Bro, my computer is a beast. Okay. Okay, everything's fine. Nothing happened. I didn't just nuke everything. Oh, I just my throat. Ow. Ooh, Berettas. Oh, I'm out of ammo. Nice. Moddy weapon. I don't really care. Mini flamethrower. I have so many of the same things that do absolutely nothing. Yep, that thing. Holy grenade, yo. It does it. It does it. Whoa. Yo, I need to hear all these. Yo, that's great. Near. Anime stuff. Echo Lance? Bruh. Bruh. Hold on, I'm gonna restart this quick. And I'm gonna, something, I don't know. What am I gonna do? Oh no, oh no. Please don't crash. Okay, we didn't have technical difficulties. So, we go over and we start punching stuff. That always scares the crap out of me, but it didn't this time. Wait, bro, I have so many weapons, you don't even know. I have 201 mods on. Mac 10 Uzi is the last thing. Ray gun, teleport. That's so useful. Omni Fist. Bruh. That does absolutely nothing. What if I like crouch and I go... What even did... It just went to space! Can I punch this? Oh! Wait. Now. Boom! That's beautiful, bro. It's so nice. It just disintegrated. Oh, there it is. If I punch it into the ground, it dies. That is the most overpowered thing I've ever seen in my life. Echo, oh. Bro, we need to play around with this. Okay, guys, I'll be right back. Because I'm going to go on a map that has tons of cars for us to punch. Welcome to the junkyard. This should be fun. Look at all these cars. What's up with the jet, bro? Like, literally. I don't even understand why there's a jet. Is it something I said? That made no sense. Wait, they added a leaf blower? Like, this is literally in the game now? That's dumb, but it's funny. I mean, yeah. I like it. Yeah, do whatever you want. I don't care. Okay, we need to go back to that thing. I have so many guns. Where is it? Almost there. Yeah, at the end, and then you go there. Oh, this thing's epic. Oh, except I can't break stuff with it. Wait, we're gonna drive this guy over here. See if we can launch it down the street. Now I have a tree to launch too. Wait, this is gonna go sideways. And I think if I punch this, it'll do more than launch down the street. It's gonna go into space, isn't it? Nope, it launched down the street. That was fun. Let's do it again. Ooh, this car looks fun. Bro, what is happening? We don't even need the weapon to launch this thing into space. What is even happening? Drop bombs? Enable weapons? What is happening? Normal booster? What is this? Shift faster. I just ran into a truck. I think this thing is indestructible almost. Fly? Oh, it's a fly roll. You unbreakable. Bro, it jumps. Bro, what is even... Excuse me? This thing can fly? Let's go into space. We're going to space, guys. Now it's fall. Here we go, let's boost. No? What is happening, bro? I'm just gonna get out. What's happening? I have a feeling my game's gonna crash. Help me? Maybe? Somebody? I'm in outer space. I think I'm in orbit. I went into orbit. Wait, hello? Anybody? Hello? Think I went into orbit. Help. Please. Someone. Maybe. I teleport to the ground. I made it! Oh. Hey, I teleported. Oh, we made it. We're back down to Earth. Yeah. I'm gonna hit the jet with this. Oh! I missed it. I think I hit it, though. I definitely hit it. What if I punch this whole row? I go flying and not the car. Ooh, monster trucks. Can I punch these? No. What about this wall? Oh, that looks fun. That looks very fun. Yes! This is epic. Yes! It's so fast. Yes! This is amazing. Oh. That was amazing. Why are there boosters? The real question is why wouldn't there be? I'm flying! Yeah! What is happening? Ow! Well, that was fun. I think the junkyard is now completely annihilated. This gives me an idea. What if there was a game where you're a guy and break stuff? I'm literally a genius. I'm a genius, okay? I just invented a game where... Never mind. That was stupid. Oh, yeah, they added actual leaf blowers to the game. Let's see. Let's go to the end of time. Let's go to the end of time. Na, 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 that's not a real song, thank goodness. What should we use now? Proximity warning. Teleport Omnifist. Let's do it again. Let's delete the universe. Okay, now Bob's Junkyard. Who the heck is Bob? You know what? We're gonna go this way, and I don't even know. Let's is there anything fun over here? Maybe? Can I just like get all this junk out of the way? Uh-oh. Can I wedge you in a corner? Ready for it? Wait, can I get under it and launch it into space? Bro, I can. No way. Yo, hold up. Oh, my gun just disappeared. No, we need the, we need my... Bro, I feel the heat of my computer right now, and it's insane. Mighty weapon, where is it, bro? Omnivis, bro, let's launch it into space. Okay, we're gonna go under, and we're gonna go BOP! Does it come back down? Please? I don't think that's ever gonna come back down. Um, okay. Well, we're never seeing that again. That also looks fun. And so does that. What is that? Is that another version of that other thing? Oh, that doesn't look as fun. It doesn't have a giant shredder on the front. That car's never gonna come back down from space. Let's send some more cars into space. That looks very fun. Yes. Giant wrecking ball of annihilation. Bro, it just uncontrollably spins in circles. Bro, let's go. This is epic. And boom! That's so fun. Meow. Okay, enough of that. Bye. GG. Everybody, get all these cards out of my face. Perfect. You too. What did you just say to me? What did you just say to me? More speed? I can give you more speed if that's what you want. I'll give you hypersonic speed. Wait, can I punch these over? Do these not fall over? Wait. Oh, wait. Yo, hold up. That's not an Omni Fist. Uh-oh. I made a boo-boo. That was not a boo-boo. That was the opposite of a boo-boo. That was epic. I've sent many things into space today. I should work at NASA. That just came back and hit me in the face. Stupid jet, what are you doing? Do you think that we can find a way to disintegrate it? With maybe possibly something called the disintegrator that definitely exists. Because it... Wait, World Eater? Please work. World Eater still doesn't work. No! gun. Oh my! Bruh! What just happened? I don't even understand that, but okay. Polka dot gun. Where is it? Who's that? Wait. Pew 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 pew. Kaboom! Pew 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 pew. Boom! That looked fun. That did look fun. I mean, doesn't really know. Where is the disintegrator? Come here. Come on. Let me select you. Yes. It's disintegrating. No, it's not. It can't be disintegrated. It's invincible. That's not acceptable. Wait, this has unlimited fire rate? Hold up. Wait. I need this. I'm just gonna start spam click. I'm gonna click on both of my. Dang, son. This looks very fun also. Dog. Dog. Where's the... Oh. Enable weapons. Meow. I disable weapons. Oh, I can lower this. Hold up. Give me that. Give me some of that. You indestructible. Now it's unbreakable. Oh, I can put stuff in there. Okay. Aw. Dang it. I'm gonna restart quick so I can use that thing. That thing's fun. Leave a like on this video if you're enjoying and you like destruction, because I do. Why does YouTube have to turn off my comments, bro? I really want to ask, like, you guys what you guys want to see, but I can't. Drive vehicle. Now, unbreakable. There we go. Yes. Now we can walk over here. Just disable all that junk. Wait, again. Yeah. Rip up the ground. Okay, I am invincible in this thing. So, I can specifically, probably, maybe, possibly, take this car and yeet it into space. Please. That didn't work at all. But I can crush it. That works. It's very fun. You know what? Just screw it. Just... No! Drop bombs. Enable weapons. Drop bombs. Drop the bombs. Destroy everything. I don't know. Just do something. Bruh. Shoddy. Goddy. Ow. That hurt. Bruh. Ow! Safe. It's on safe mode. Oh, what just happened? My powers are too overwhelming. Bruh. Off safe mode now. I command you. Why do I keep throwing bombs everywhere? I don't understand. Nitroglycerin. Let me guess. That's now in the game too. And rocket boosters are, and vehicle thrusters, and blue tide are now in the game. What is happening? I didn't install any mods for these, so that means that only one thing that these are in the game. Nitroglycerin is bopping, bro. That just like blew up everything. Hunting rifle. What else do we have here? We have planks, flamethrowers, extinguishers, spray cans, everything. Cable is also apparently now in the game. What? Huh? What is it? Laser cutter now in the game, I guess. That's not. Wait, no, laser cutter is not in the game yet. Where's the other thing? Pipe bomb, rocket launcher, nitroglycerin. That's the mod. Rocket booster. E. Oh, no. Turn it off. Off. Okay, the vehicle bubble thruster. Vehicle thruster. Thruster. Something, I don't know. Bop. 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 Bro, okay, this thing, it looks deadly. Oh, that's sick! How does that work? Oh, we can have multiple? Why didn't you say so? What is even happening? This thing now has like a blue tail of epicness. Oh, that's not gonna work out. What is happening, bro? Oh my god! What is this? Ah! What is happening? This is epic! Uh-oh. That messed everything up. Okay, let's go back now. I can fly also. Wait, I need to ride on the jet, bro. Hold up. Yo, come back. Come back. Come back, homie. Come back. Come back. Yes, homie. Homie, I see you. Yes. No. No, come back. What is blue tide? Oh, I can drink it. Okay. Physics gun. Are you a physics? He's not a physics. Why aren't you a physics? Oh, I'm on it. Bruh. It doesn't let me. That just makes me mad. Okay. I can't write it. But you know what I can do? You know what I can do? I can do this. And 1. Wait, this bus is named Carl. That makes perfect sense. Okay. Yeah, great idea, Carl. Thank you very much. Let me put one here, 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 and 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 not there, but okay, here, and here, and here, and here, and there, and up there, and there, and there, and oh, I can fly. I forgot about that. And here, and there, and there, and here, and there, and here. Yes! It's beautiful! Carl! You're the most beautiful machine ever. No. No. Don't break. Yes, perfect. You're unbreakable, Carl. You will forever be a rocket ship, apparently. Okay. Ow! That hurt. Let's go to the moon, Carl. Let's go. This bus's name is apparently Carl because it says it on the side. Ah! Ah! I just crushed a Lamborghini, I think. No, I didn't. Okay. You know what? This gives me a great idea. Let's make a rocket ship. Yeah. What's a rocket ship shaped car? This looks like a rocket ship, but I can't use that because I do not have tape to tape it together. You look like a rocket ship. You'll work perfectly. Now, yo, this is gonna work out so good. What up? Where is it? What's the no. Where is it? Physics gun. Yes. Pick it up. Freeze it. Perfect, bro. Actually perfect. Vehicle thrusters. I need a little higher, actually. Sorry, physics gun. Perfect. Thank you. You're very nice. Vehicle thruster. Hey, physics gun. What? I need you to lower it a tiny bit, like this. Oh, like there. Perfect. I need it lower again. Perfect, bro. Actually perfect. Why can't I? Huh? Excuse me? Am I too? Huh? What? I don't understand. Can it not be frozen? Oh, that didn't work. I don't think it can be frozen, guys. That's so annoying. So, what we have to do then is go over to our work platform right here. See us? We are going to take this off, and we're going to take the middle off. My launch platform just disintegrated. Wait, but then we're going to freeze that there. We're going to take this one. I'm literally playing Minecraft. And I'm going to put it... Stupid jet, you made me mess up. That does not work. I am not playing Minecraft. What can we use as a rocket ship? Bruh. I'm so mad at this. Why can't I just, like, freeze it? Why can't you be simple, game? That sounds very simple to me. It's not like it's rocket science or anything. Will you just, like, go away? Literally, though. What are you looking at? You just witnessed it. Go away. You too. They all have to go. Want to go, buddy? Get yeeted in... I am Yeetus. Can I pick that up? No witnesses. Perfect. Now, we're gonna go on a trip in our favorite rocket ship. We need to soar through the sky. Little Einsteins. Oh, yeah. We're going on a trip in our favorite socket chip going through my life. This will work good. We just have to crouch and then just start spamming stuff. Perfect. Well, this one's name is Dominus. Oh no, those are sideways. This isn't gonna work. You failed me. Spam thrusters everywhere. And maybe it'll become a fidget spinner. Nobody knows. Fidget spinner. Fidget spinner. Fidget spinner. Just cover it, okay? Cover it. Literally just spam. Need an auto clicker. Luckily I have one for next time. Okay. He can't handle anymore. Let's go. Wait, you need to be unbreakable. So we can fly to the moon. It's not working. It's not. Wait. Wait, it's working. I'm flying. Wait, no, I'm not. Uh-oh. I am spiraling out of control. Perfect hit that I definitely didn't plan at all, and that's like being legit. Oh, this is lagging so hard. Oh, bro, why is this working? It's actually stupid smoke effects. Ah! Wait, what is this? Voice recognition is on my computer. It's like, bro, hold up. Yo, get this off my screen. Okay, we're good. Everything's fine. Wait! This is so fun. Not deadly at all. Well, guys, I think I'm going to end it here. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I know I did. Mostly. And this is the like button, okay? And you should actually, in fact, and then this is the subscribe button right here. And in fact, you should probably do this, okay? You should take your hand and you should go like this. You should hit that like button and you should hit that subscribe button. And then, on the next video, hit that like button, and then hit that, wait, no, don't hit that subscribe button, because you already subscribed, because the subscribe button is gray, like this wall. And then hit the alternate universe button, and then also the poison button. You know what? I don't even care, bye.